Hey guys, I'm just showing you how I made some flaxseed gel. I had got some whole flax seeds from Walmart. I have me a measuring cup because you're going to need that for your water. Got a stocking cap so you can strain it, and your handy dandy pot. Yeah. Okay, I also forgot that you'll need 1/4 cup for your flaxseed. As you can see, I'm doing my 1/4 cup of flaxseed, putting it in the pot before I turn it on. And now we're gonna get 2 cups of water. You'll have that 1/4 cup to 2/4 ratio for this. Okay, after you stir, you're gonna just wait for it to boil a little bit, and then the next step is to put your stocking cap over whatever container that you're going to be using. As I stated previously, you're going to make sure that you continue to stir every so often to make sure nothing gets stuck to the side or the bottom of the pot. Okay, I let it sit for 30 minutes and came back and poured it out so it wouldn't be too hot for me to strain. And that's how it looks. What we gonna be? Yeah. That's nasty. This flaxseed gel, what I'm gonna use to retwist our hair back up some. That's nasty. It feels so nasty. Oh my god, that's gross. Right? It's not. Yeah. This is nasty.
Oh, this is my bathroom.
That's your bathroom?